How to scan documents and make PDF files on your Android phone. You don't need a separate scanner machine because your phone can quickly scan documents and save them as digital PDF files. To get started, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Next, tap the plus sign at the bottom right corner and select Scan. This will open your camera scanner. Now, place your document on a flat surface and make sure there is enough lighting. Position the camera over the document, and Google Drive will automatically detect the edges. You can also tap the Capture button manually. After scanning, you can adjust the document by filters, crop, and rotate. If you have multiple pages, tap the Add Page option and scan additional documents. Once everything looks correct, tap Next. Choose a file name and select the folder where you want to store it. Your scanned document will now be saved as a PDF file in Google Drive. Now tap Upload. You can open the PDF anytime, download it, or share it through email, messaging apps, or other platforms. And that's it. That's how you can scan documents and make PDF files on Android phone quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.